Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What are you cutting me off for?
My dog.
I don't care about your dog. No, I don't.
Come here. Come here.
I'm not getting out of my car for you, you jackass.
You really have a reason for the action. Sometimes you always surround it, post it, just like the
Wow. Was he gonna do it again?
Wow.
Wow.
What is this?
That was a red light.
Heart rate detected.
Okay, Garmy. Thank you.
Celebrating the 4th. I don't usually hear that one.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, he just ran the red and the cop was right behind him. Oh my gosh, I got that on Dashcam.
Be able to tell that you're there. Stupid ass. He's like, bro, what the f is our ring? What the f doing? Oh, what the fuck, bro? What is that? Jesus fuck.
So upset it's a factory. Whoa! Oh my god, what just happened?
Sorry,
What
I didn't
the
understand.
fuck? Did you see that?
No, I was looking at this.
That guy just hit that truck and now he's running.
Wait, what?
Please say a command after the beep.
Call Dad.
And by less, I mean 99.9% less me. No, you know this. Go ahead. I totally forgot this right when I brought it up.
That was a real word.
It is. It's a company.
Oh!
Down. Sarah had completely smashed my wedding cake and ripped off the decorations. My heart was broken to see my wedding cake completely destroyed.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.